Just to give you a heads up, guys, this Thursday, tune in onto the YouTube channel, Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation, for a live stream live from Santa Fe, New Mexico, with yours truly. You want to come do a meet and greet with me? You're welcome to come, but it's by donation only that I will do meet and greets, and I have a list on who donated and who doesn't. So if you aren't on the list, now's the time to donate, and I'll sign whatever merch you want. You have of mine. I'll sign it. I'll do pictures. I'll do anything. I am requiring a $5 donation on the GoFundMe, 5 to 10, or whatever amount you can donate, and you'll be able to join me for meet and greets, lunch, and hanging out with me for the day. But I will not buy lunch. It'll be up to you to buy your own lunch. But if you're in the Albuquerque area and you're going up to Santa Fe on the train, come and join me up there. I will be live, and I'll have the 4K camera with me. So come and watch. Come see what I do. And come watch me try to get the survivors ready to go. We'll see you on Thursday at around probably 1 o'clock is when I'll go live on YouTube. So I'll see you then.